Paul Lee made a clear distinction as he named Yang Giao as the best coach when it comes to developing players. With Rain or Shine continuing its dominant run in the PBA Season 50 Commissioner's Cup, Lee pointed to Giao's unique ability to maximize talent, especially from young and overlooked players.
I think pagdating sa pag-develop ng mga players or young players, number one for me talaga sa akin si Coach Yang.
Lee emphasized that Giao has always been known for giving opportunities to players who are often taken late in the draft or fly under the radar.
Mahilig siya magbigay ng chances or ng pag-asa doon sa mga late na nadadraft or magaling na player pero hindi napapansin. Kayang-kayang palabasin ni Coach Yang yung laro niya.
A clear example of that is Adrian Nocum, now emerging as the face of the franchise, a former second-round pick way back PBA Season 48 rookie draft in 2023. Nocum has flourished under Giao's system, putting up 15.71 points, 5.14 rebounds, and 2.43 assists per game. That philosophy has been on full display in Rain or Shine's current campaign as the team improved to 7-0 following a 124 and 117 win over Terrafir Majip. But while he praised Giao's strength in development, Lee was quick to draw the line when it comes to the overall best coach discussion.
Yeah, pero about doon sa comparison na like best coach, iba din coach teams, coach Chot. Kumbaga, kung ang tanong lang is yung kung magpapalabas ng galing ng isang player, Coach Yang talaga.
For Lee, the difference lies in specialization, with each coach bringing a distinct edge. From role players to key contributors, Giao's system has consistently produced results across different rosters and eras, including Lee himself. As Rain or Shine continues to build momentum, the message is clear. Yang Giao's greatest strength is not just winning games, but developing the players who make it possible. Reporting for the Scorecard, I am Zeus Valdez, Billionaire News Channel.